and the crew will receive Eager Beaver Award and Cheerful Soul Award. Congratulations! Hi, it's Juvian Education. If you're new to our channel, click the subscribe button and you'll get to enjoy our educational videos for free. And hit the notification bell to get updated for new videos. Before anything else, may we have 30 likes for this video? It's a tutorial on how to make pin the ribbon effect on your virtual graduation on PowerPoint. The steps are very easy. I will show you the link where you can download the ready to edit template. If you're interested, keep on watching. So welcome back to our channel. I'm going to show you how to make this slide for your virtual graduation and how to put the animations and transition effects. So first, we're going here on the right side of the PowerPoint. Then click right and then click new slide. Make sure that the slide you'll create is a blank slide by going to the layout and then choosing blank. Now, let us duplicate this picture that I got from the internet, and we're going to copy that one and paste it here. Now we have a background. Now we are going to insert the picture of the learner or the pupil. This one I got from the parent, and then let's paste it here at the center of the slide. There you go. And then on the top part, let's choose a frame. This simple frame that is white, and then let's go to picture effects and click preset. Then click this one, preset 1. The next thing we're going to do is to insert the name. We're going to insert, go to the menu and insert a text box. We have now here a text. Next step is we are going to input the name of the learner. His name is Simon Lexus Abin Noha. Make sure that it goes within one line only. Then let's make it, let's put it to the center. Make sure that the sides are proportionate. Okay. And then under it is the word completer. Since they are kindergarten, they are called completer or mover. The next thing we're going to do is to click this one, click the text box and go to the format. And let's fill the shape with this color. Then go to shape effects and then go to preset and choose any preset you like. Okay, I like this one. So that's the preset we've chosen. Let's make the font bigger, font size. If you want to change the color of the name or whatsoever, you can do it by going to the home, by changing the color. You can highlight it first and then go to the theme colors. You can change it to red or blue, either blue. Okay, we're done with that. Now let us create the ribbon. We're going to copy this one since it's from the internet. We have copied the ribbon head with the name of the award. Now let's duplicate this again. Go to the first slide and let's copy the ribbon head. And let's go back to slide number 2 and paste it. Now, we are going to create a smaller version of these two ribbons. Click or press Ctrl B to duplicate the ribbons and then click it, put it here at the center. We're going to resize it, click and drag, going inwards until it's as small as this one. We are going to resize the font by clicking the text box inside, then highlight everything. Let us make the font smaller, just like that. Then that should do it, and let's put it. My bad. Let's click this one. Click this and drag it here. Next, let's click this and duplicate, and let's make a smaller version of this ribbon. Click the text box again inside the ribbon head and then highlight. Make it smaller. Okay, that should do it. Let's move the ribbon here. There you go. As I've said, I'm going to teach you how I made the animations for the pinning the ribbon, for the pin the ribbon effect on PowerPoint. First animation will be for this image, the image of the child. And let's go to the animations and click more. Let's choose grow and turn swivel. Let's choose swivel. That should do it. Next thing we're going to do is to click the name of the child here. Click the text box and choose the animation too. Go to the animations and click teaser. Okay, the speed is very fast, right? We are going here on the animation pane. Click here, animation pane, for it to appear on the right side of the PowerPoint. Click the number 2 animation and click here, then go to timing. We are going to repeat the animation by clicking this one. We are going to repeat it thrice. That should do it. So let's play it from the top. Okay, that's fine. Now, the second animation will be the first award or the first ribbon. Click on the ribbon head and then go to animations and then click more motion paths or more entrance effect. Click more entrance effect and then let us choose basic zoom. Again, let's choose basic zoom. There you go. Let's add animation by clicking this animation that we put on the ribbon head and then going to add animation. Let's add animation by going to more motion paths to create the sliding effect going to the shirt of the child. Let's choose right because it's going to the right. Click OK. We are going to adjust the direction of the animation by going here instead of here, by going to the shirt. Alright, that should do it. Let's add another animation. Go to the add animation and then let's go to more exit effects, or let's just go here, scroll down and then choose shrink and turn. Shrink and turn for it to shrink, just like that. Alright, let's add animation again to this one. We're now done with the first ribbon head, and now let's click the smaller version of the ribbon head on the shirt for it to appear after all the animations that we've put here. Let's go to animations and then let's choose grow and turn. Okay, that should do it. Let's see all the animations from the first to the last. Let's play it from here. Alright, there you go. We are now done with the first ribbon going to the shirt of the child. It's like we've pinned the ribbon on the shirt of the child. Next, as I've said, let's proceed to the second ribbon head or the second award. Let's click this ribbon head and let's go to the animations panel and then click the entrance effect and let's choose grow and turn. And then we're going to add animation. Click add animation and go to more motion paths and choose left. Click OK. Make sure to adjust the direction of the animation by clicking and dragging this red button here and going here. We're done with that animation. Now, let's click again and let's add animation again. This time, it's an exit animation. And we're going to choose shrink and turn. That should do it. Now, we are done with the big ribbon head. Let's go to the smaller version of the ribbon head. Click this one and let's put an animation effect by going to the animations panel. Click and let's choose grow and turn. That should do it. We are now done with the complete slide of the pin the ribbon effect on your virtual graduation. Let's see the result. We are now done with the pin the ribbon effect of virtual graduation on PowerPoint. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe and share it to your friends and colleagues, okay? See you again on our next video. Don't forget to check out our videos on our channel. Don't forget to visit or share it to your friends. Again, thank you for watching. And as promised, I'm going to post here the link where you can download the sample template. It's a ready to edit template for your virtual graduation. Thank you and goodbye!